This love's an edgeless horizon, no fences, no end, just light we ride on. We're dancing through the open unknown with peace in our hearts and roots that have grown. No need to arrive, we're already home in our edgeless horizon.
Your voice is a compass, your laugh is the breeze, guiding me gently through infinite seas. We build not a castle, but a canopy of trust and wonder, wild and free.
No destination, no ticking clock, just barefoot steps on sacred rock. We're not lost, we're wide awake, in love that gives more than it takes.